Hi guys. Hey, I hope you watched the video that I put up there about our math for today. And on the video, she mentioned take out the piece of paper I gave you, the handout. Well, we don't have that handout. All right, that is something that she did for her group. So don't worry about that. In fact, in my teacher manual, it says for you guys to use a scrap piece of paper to work out those problems. Okay, so but you should have your fact practice and your fact homework, and then guided practice A and the homework side B. If you do not have the homework, I had some kiddos in my group. They just wrote them out on a separate piece of paper, took a picture of it, and then sent it that way. And that's a great thing to do. I'm glad you guys thought of that. Okay, so that's what I'm going to suggest. If you don't have it, just do that. Take a piece of paper, write down the problems, take a picture, send it, and you'll be done. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead and get to our guided practice. This is side A. All right, here we go. There are 16 cups of milk in a gallon. If Curtis drinks 4 cups of milk a day, how many days will it take for Curtis to drink a gallon of milk? Okay, so we're going to start with 16. We're going to divide, my friends. Divide by 4. 16 divided by 4 is 4. It will take him 4 days. All right, these are pizzas. Divide the first pizza in half. Divide the second pizza into 4s. 4 sections. Divide the last pizza into 8s. So there's 1, there's 2, there's 4, and then there's 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 8. Okay. It's like a cross and an X. You get 8. All right, so each pizza will have 8 pieces of pepperoni. Draw the pepperoni on the pizzas so that each has the same amount. Okay, so we have 8 pieces each. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so the first one, half of 8. So we look at half of that. That's going to be 4. A quarter of 8, so you get 1/4, one little piece of that, and that'll be 2. 1/8 of 8, one little section, is 1. Those are pieces of pepperoni on the slices. Find the products using mental computation. Okay, well, we have 7 times 21. So we're thinking 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 1 is 7. All right, 3 times 43. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 3 is 9. All right, 2 times 8, 85. 2 times 8 is 16, but wait, 2 times 5 is 10. Okay, whoa, wait a minute. We're going to start over here. We got to carry the 1. So 2 times 8 is 16. That would be 170. Sometimes you got to think about that, right? Okay, write this number using words. Looks like you're going to have to write kind of small. All right, so we have 400,000, 460,000, 300, I'm writing in space. 90 times 2. All right, 460,392. Which digit is in the thousands place? That, of course, my friends, is the 0. What is the place value of the digit 3? And that is the hundreds. And you need to write the word, please. Do not write 100, 100. You need to write out the word. Donna was born in 1980. How old will she be on her birthday this year? Okay, well, 1980. So let me see if I can write this. All right, so we have 1980, 1990, and then we have 2000, 2010, 2020, 1980, 1, 2. We are not going to use that. We're going to scratch that. Something doesn't quite add up. 1980, how old will she be on her birthday? 1980, 1990. Okay, we're going to come back to that one. I'm having a brain thing going on right now. All right, shade the bar graph to show the children's favorite multiplication facts. Okay, so we have number of children, and we have the 2s, 35 kids like that. The 4s, 18 of those kids like that. The 7s, 42 kids like that. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and shade these in. So the 2s, it says 35 kids like those. Okay, so here's 30, and then that'll be 35. So we're going to go ahead and shade that in. Okay, and the 4s, 18 kids like that. So here's about right about here. Be good. And then the 7s, 42 kids like that. So right about there. All right. Okay, so how many more children chose multiplying 7 than by multiplying by 2? Okay, so you're looking at these two numbers. You can subtract those two numbers. And your answer should be 7. Okay, so we're going to go back up here to the birthday question. And I know what I did wrong. I put 1980. I shouldn't have done that because I was supposed to start 10 years later. So here we have the results. And that would be, this person will be 40 years old. Okay. All right. So good luck on your homework. And if you have questions, let us know.